In the beginning, the star whispered. They spoke of ancient empire, of civilization that had risen and fallen long before the first human ever looked to the night sky. Across the galactic expanse, a thousand species thrived each with their own wars, myth, and glory. But among their countless legends, one story stood apart. A story whispered in the Creole, buried in forbidden archive. A story of monsters wearing human skin. They called them humans. A species so destructive, so relentless, that the Elderas erased every trace of them from history. Some said humanity destroyed itself. Others believed they fled beyond the star, vanishing into the void. But all agreed on one thing. If humanity ever returned, the galaxy would burn. The Dominion of Raal ruled the galaxy. For 2,000 years, no rival dared to challenge their might. Their fleet spanned hundreds of systems. Their rule was absolute. So when their deep space sensor detected an anomaly at the edge of known space, they thought little of it. A lost ship, perhaps. A pirate fleet. They sent a single dreadnought the Vache to investigate. What they found was impossible. Crude metal ship scarred, ancient, shaped by war. Relic of a forgotten age. The Dominion logged. Until the comely up. This is the Terran fleet. Identify yourself, or be destroyed. The Dominion Admiral sneered. Human? Myth. Extinct. But a scanner analyzed the fleet. His blood ran cold. All a day looked, the human ship moved with flawless precision. Their weapon charged. Their formation perfect. And when the Dominion opened fire, humanity answered. The first Dominion ship vanished in a single burst of kinetic fire. The second erupted into flame. The dreadnought's last transmission was a single line. Their note supposed to exist? The battle lasted less than an hour. The human didn't lose a single ship. Across the star, one message spread. Humanity has returned. The Dominion's capital erupted in chaos. Report poured in from every sector, fleets annihilated, colony gone dark, worlds burning. Supreme Chancellor Vaco stood before the High Council. A 2,000 holograms flickered before him, each showing the same truth. The impossible had happened. Ancient ship, one general growled. Crude weapon. This shouldn't be possible. Vaco turned to his intelligence officer. What do we know? She trembled. Nothing. They were erased from our archive. But what little remains says they were unstoppable. Another voice whispered. Maybe they were never gone. Maybe they've been waiting for this moment. Silence filled the room. For the first time in millennia, the Dominion felt fear. The Dominion launched counterattack. Massive fleets. Planetary bombardment. Omega-class dreadnought. It didn't matter. The human fought like demons. With chaos, precision, and en relenting un jet for vengeance. They struck where it hurt most. Shipyard. Supply lines. Communication relay. They didn't conquer for glory. They destroyed to make a point. Within weeks, the first Dominion world fell. Choro 9. ETS turned to flame. ETS cities reduced to ash. And when the fear died, a single flag rose above the ruin. The flag of humanity. In desperation, Vaco searched the Dominion's forbidden archive. What he found shattered him. The human hadn't vanished. They'd been erased. Century ago, before the Dominion's rise, their ancestors had found humanity. Young, ambitious, spreading fast. Too fast. So the LD Dominion made a choice. They burned entire colony. Exterminated entire planet. Erased every human record. But some survived. And now, after century in the void, humanity had returned. Not a conqueror, but a executioner. This wasn't a war. This was justice. Admiral. They were here. Vaco turned to the holomap. Red marker filled the screen. The human had bypassed the UT defense heading straight for the Dominion's capital world, Veral Prime. Fire ran from the sky a human dropship descended. Stealth team seized orbital platform and turned Dominion weapon against their own fleet. The capital burned. Cities fell. And in the chaos, the human came for the hat. Vaco stood in his war chamber, defiant to the end. Activate planetary annihilation protocol et order. If we can't have this world. The doors burst open. Two Terran soldiers stepped inside a black armor gleaming. Between them, a human commanded. Helmet under one arm is cold as a void. Vaco whispered, "What do you want?" The stars were silent once more. By dawn, the Dominion was gone. Their fleets ash. Their leader executed. Their worlds liberated. For centuries, they ruled through fear. Now they would live under it. Across the galaxy, a transmission played on every channel. A Terran commanded stood before the camera scarred, calm, resolute. The Dominion is no more. Your leader are dead. Your fleets are gone. Your empire has fallen. A leaned closer. You erased our history. But we never forgo. Humanity does not forgive. Humanity deliver justice. The feed cut to black. And in that silence, the galaxy understood. Humanity had survived extinction. And they were never living again.